Hi friends, in this tutorial video we are going to create a web server in Node.js and serve some content including HTML files to the client. And let's get started. First of all, I'm going to create a directory for this project and I'll call it http content server. Okay, let's go into this directory, content web server. Okay, for this project we need some modules and we are going to install these modules using npm, that is node package manager, npm install express. The web server we are going to use in this project is Express. It is a widely used web server with Node.js, and there are loads of features that are provided by this server. Okay, the next module that we need is path module. I'm going to install it as npm install path. Okay, now we have installed both Express server and path module. Okay, let's do the coding, and the text editor I'm going to use is Sublime Text Editor. The file I'm going to create is http server.js. Okay, the first thing we are going to is to import Express server module. The second thing we are going to create is an object of Express web server and assign it to app variable. The third thing is to create and import require path module. Now we are going to mention the port on which the web server will be listening. Okay, now let's define the routes and the content things. Okay, app.get, okay, slash. Okay, forward slash means the landing page. Okay, the main page of our website. Okay, require response, request response. Okay, res dot send file. Okay, path dot join underscore directory name plus content forward slash content slash index dot html index.html. Okay, the next route that I'm going to create is called about. Request response and res.send file path.join directory name plus content slash about.html. Okay, and the last step is to get the web server to listen on the port that we have mentioned, that is port 3000 in our case. Okay, after that we have done this coding and created our web server, but we still need these two files. One is index.html and the other file is about.html, and these should be in the content folder. You can create your own content folder, it doesn't matter. So let's get back to command line, and okay, I'm going to create a folder content, and within that content folder I'm going to create first an index.html file, and in this index.html file we can define a simple HTML page. home page. Okay, HTML tag, welcome to my Node.js website homepage. Okay, let's close the h1 tag and h2. This site has been built with Node.js and Express server. Okay, this is the second line. Let's save this and let's create about.html. Okay, you can just copy paste the HTML from index.html and paste it in about.html and call this about us page and welcome to about us page. This site has been built with Node.js and Express server. So let's go back to our command line and let's kick this HTTP server node index http server.js. okay, now let's run this project. Okay, you can see that index.html has been rendered as a landing page, and now if I go to about route, you can see welcome to about us page. This site has been built. So basically with the small code we have created a web server that is serving HTML to the browser, client browser. That's pretty much it for this video. See you next time in next video. Thank you very much.